Okay, we're going to go-to-math.com, click on the algebra. We're looking at linear equations, and it looks like we're going to be doing 2.1. 2.1. Alright, so we'll work with the variable t this time. We have t times t plus 2 what happened there is equal to t times t plus 4 minus 12. Minus 12. Right. So let's go ahead and distribute this t across here. So we have t squared plus 2t is equal to t squared plus 4t minus 12. Alright. Now if I took this t squared over to the left hand side, we'd end up with rewriting this t squared here minus t squared right, plus 2t. So we'll just do a little bit at a time here. And then we have 4t minus 12. 4t minus 12. Now you notice here that the t squareds cancel out. Okay, so now what we're left with is 2t is equal to 4t minus 12. And we're going to go ahead and bring that 2t over to the right hand side and the 12 over to the left. So it's a negative 12, bring it over to the left, comes positive 12, and I just about forgot that 2t there. So 4t minus 2t is 2t, and then we have 12, and as you can see here, t will be equal to 6, and we could say that the solution set contains 6. Okay. Alright, so remember you can always take that and plug that back into your original equation to make sure that that is actually a solution. Alright, so we're over here go-to-math.com. Alright, well let's try to sneak in another one here. Only 2 minutes has gone by. So let's say we have 0.01 times x minus 0.3 times x minus 2 is equal to 4.75, let's say. Alright, and so we want to solve for x, and we're going to go ahead and distribute this 0.3 across, so we end up having 0.01x minus 0.3x, and then of course we got the minus and this minus here. That's going to make that a plus, and then that should be 0.6 is equal to 4.75. Alright, now collecting up our like terms, we have 0.01 minus 0.3, and that's going to end up making that a negative 0.29. Yes. And then we'll want to take this 0.6 over to the right hand side, so we have 4.75 minus 0.6. Okay. And then, okay, so we'll rewrite this again. And 4.75 minus 0.6 is 4.15. Now, of course, we're going to multiply both sides by a negative 1 over 0.29, right? Negative times a negative would make that a positive, So let's just do that. Alright, so we should end up with x is equal to yeah, 14.31, I believe. Oh, you know what I forgot to mention? What I forgot to mention in this problem here is that we want to round to 2 decimal places. I forgot to mention that. Alright, we're just rounded to 2 decimal places. I think this goes out, but we're just going to round that to 2 decimal places, and that should be a negative right there. Alright, a negative number. Let's see, that's a negative. That'd make that a positive. I think we might check this. Let's see, what do we got? 4.15 divided by 0.29. Okay, I'm gonna 0.01 times answer minus, I say answer because I'm using a calculator here. I just stored it in my answer. 0 minus 2. 4.75, yeah. Okay. Alright, well, there you go. Alright. So we're over here at Go To Math. Yeah, that'll be the last one for this section. We're over here, or that problem. We're over here at gotomath.com, working out some linear equations, and I'll see you in the next problem.